Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a face swapping using ChatGPT. So basically, we can use this AI tool to isolate someone's face and then put it into a different body or a different person. So this process is used to be very difficult and inconsistent, but now we got a new AI image model from OpenAI, and from what I can tell, this model is a lot more consistent, faster, and looks way better than the previous AI image models. So let me show you how you can do a face swapping using ChatGPT and some scenarios, and also a few other things that you can avoid when you are trying to do this in ChatGPT. Now, I'm going to open chatgpt.com on my computer, and of course you can also use the mobile version of this platform on your phone. Now, the first step is you can upload the body image or the target body image. Now in this case, I'm going to use this character, this person, a guy taking selfie, and then I'm going to replace this face with this guy. So this guy taking a photo on a bridge, I believe, and then I'm going to put this face into this person's body. Now I'm going to upload that muscular person body first. I'm going to just upload that image, and then after that I'm going to upload the other picture. So this upload order is very important because it's related to the prompt that we are going to use. Now I'm going to show you the structure of the prompt that you can follow. So first I'm going to use this. Okay, I want you to take the face of the person from image 2. So image 2 is the second image that you just uploaded to ChatGPT, which is this picture, and place it on the head of the person from image 1, which is this picture, or the first picture that you uploaded to ChatGPT. So that's why I said earlier that the upload order is very important. Now I'm going to add another clarification. Therefore, your output has to be image 1, but with the face of the person from image 2. Okay, I think that's quite clear. And then lastly, I'm going to add some tiny instruction, and basically I want AI to consider the lighting and shadow of the image 1 to make the blend or the edit looks more natural. And after that, I'm going to click this plus button, enable image generation, and then you can select the aspect ratio. But if you select auto, it will automatically use this aspect ratio, which is the first image. So I'm going to send the message and just wait until it finishes. And I do recommend to not put the face, let's say, of a man into a woman or vice versa, because from my testing, it usually doesn't look good. Sometimes it can look okay, but most of the times it looks just a little bit off. And also, if you're planning to put, let's say, a person with dark skin and then you want to put it into a person with light skin or vice versa, you might want to add the instruction that might change the body of the person, the skin color of the body of the, let's say, image number 1, because you want to make sure that it blends as nicely as possible. Okay, now just wait until it finishes, and then we're going to move on to the other scenarios when you are trying to swap faces using ChatGPT. Alright, so this is the result. I think it looks quite decent. Now, what if you want to apply the expression of the first image? Like you want to make, if you look closely, you don't have to look closely, but basically the person in the image 1 and the person on the image 2, they look at a different angle or a different point. So the person here is just looking at the phone, but this person is looking at the camera. But I want this Asian guy to actually look at the phone. Now in this case, because we haven't specified about the expression, by default it will just naturally put the expression of the image 2 into the body of the person in the image 1, and that's why I got this picture. But what if you want to make this Asian guy to look at the screen of the phone? Well, let me try it again, but we are going to use a slightly different prompt. And again, upload the body image first, and then the face image. So the first image is the body, the second image is the face. And well, the prompt is actually the first half of the prompt is the same. So this is exactly the same prompt that we used earlier, but then I'm going to add this. Let me just copy and paste, and don't worry, I'm going to put all the prompts in the description down below so you can copy them. So I added this extra instruction. Additionally, adjust the expression on the face of the person from image 2 to match the expression of the person from image 1, ensuring the final output reflects the same facial expressions as seen in image 1. So this guy will be looking at the phone. So let's try that. I'm going to create image and send a message and just wait for the result. All right, so this is the result. As you can see, this is the same facial expression as in the person in the image number 1. So I think this looks more convincing than the previous image, and if you want to do that, then this is the prompt that you can use. But so far we have only been experimenting with a picture that contains one person. But what if you have, let's say, a group selfie? I mean, how do you deal with that? Because there are multiple people in that picture. Well, let me show you how. I'm going to start a new chat again. And as usual, we want to upload the target body image first, which is this image. And then the second image is this one. So I want to move this guy, the face of this person, into the body of, sorry about that, this person. So yeah, this guy's just smiling normally, but this one has a silly looking face. And surprisingly, the prompt is very simple. So the prompt is just this, is the same as the one that I used in the first example, which is this one. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to just paste that. And here, the only thing that is different is the description. We have to tell AI about the person that we want to pick and the target that we want to place the new face upon. So here, given that I want to use this face, this character, I'm going to tell AI that the image 2 is the guy with silly expression, or silly eyes, perhaps. Yep, that's the description that will hopefully let AI know exactly the character that I want to use. And then the image 1, which is this one, I'm going to use this guy, this character. So usually you can describe the character by perhaps the position of the image, like in this case, he is on the right side of the screen, or perhaps the outfit, or perhaps the skin color, the race, basically anything that's visual and can be described, you can use that. So in this case, I'll just tell AI that I want to put that face into this guy, the smiling guy on the right. And there you go. So I'm going to send the message and let's see how it goes. Well, there you go. As you can see now, the smiling guy was replaced by this silly looking guy in the photo, but everything else stays the same, which is actually a capability of the GPT image model. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you want to see other things that you can do with AI, then check out this video and I'll see you there.